everyone, so today I have some new makeup that I wanted to share with you all and play with on camera, so stick around and I will share I guess a little full face of first impressions. Is that what they call it? So stay tuned. Okay, so my birthday was on April 14th and I did go ahead and buy some makeup for myself, and I bought these things off of Ulta, and then one lipstick I didn't. But I'm going to go ahead and after I show you the item I got, I'm going to put in a clip of me applying it to my face. So the first thing that I got was this Revlon Candid, Revlon Candid foundation. And I got it in the shade 130. Ivory. It's in the shade Ivory. So I'm going to go ahead and put in a clip of me applying that now. Alright, so I went ahead and applied my concealer. I just used my Fenty Pro Filter Concealer in 150, and then I used my Palladio rice powder to set everything. A little bit about the foundation: it is clinging to dry patches on my face. Now, I've heard that this is supposedly good for oily skin. I'll see at the end of the day. I'll update you all in the description box. But I just realized that I'm doing everything backward. Like normally I do my eyeshadow first. So I think next I'm going to go into my eyeshadow palette that I got. And I did get the Urban Decay Naked 3 palette. And it is so pretty on the inside. Beautiful rose tones. So I'm going to go ahead and apply this to my eyes. And just stay tuned and you'll see the clip. So I already got my eyeshadow done, and I also did my brows. I just used my Anastasia Dipbrow and my e.l.f. eyebrow gel to set everything. So now I'm going to go ahead and move on to the Smashbox Cali Contour Kit. And I'm going to try the blush. I don't know how it's going to go with this eyeshadow look, but we'll see. Actually, first I'm going to go ahead and go into the bronzer and use that really quick. So let's see. Alright, the contour kit is okay. It's super duper pigmented and super powdery, like there's a lot of kickback. So you want to be careful with that one. It is really, really pigmented. So what I did to fix it, which I got too much on my neck, I just blended over it all with a big fluffy powder brush just to make sure it all looks seamless. So the next thing, actually I think I forgot to do under my eyes, so I'm going to put my eyeshadow under my eyes and highlight my inner corner, and then I'll come back with the lipstick. So stay tuned. Alright, so the next thing I got was this lipstick from Revlon in Dare to be Nude, and this is such a pretty lipstick. And it is very matte and kind of on the peachy side, so I did get a gloss from them, and this is the gloss in Supernatural from Revlon. I love their lip stuff because it is so affordable, so I'm going to go ahead and apply this. Mattes are super duper moisturizing. It feels like you're not even wearing a lipstick. Okay, and there is with just the lipstick. Alright, and there is my makeup done with all of the new things. I really enjoyed the Naked 3 palette. Unfortunately, there aren't a lot of matte shades in it, so I am going to have to dip into some other palettes with some of the shades that's in there. I did want to show you a couple more things I got that I didn't use. I got a couple of ColourPop single Super Shock shadows. This one's in Twitter Pated. And then I got this one in special delivery. Now when this one first came to me, it was completely shattered and Ulta immediately sent me a replacement. But yeah, just a beautiful green blue shade. I just love fun shades like that. And but yeah, that was everything I got. The Smashbox Cali, actually let me get my hair out of this real quick. Ouch. Okay, so there, I'm done. So I hope you all enjoyed this video. I apologize if it took a long time. I really enjoy everything I got. The Candid foundation, we'll see how it goes. It seems like it's coming off my skin really easily. Like my powder brush had some of the product on it, and I don't know why that is, but maybe I should not use a primer underneath it or something. I don't know, maybe like not use a hydrating primer because I use the Smashbox Photofinish primer. But I hope you all enjoyed the video. I will have some updates. Of course, my 9 in 2019 updates coming up soon. And then my other painting updates will be coming up soon. Thank you all for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this video.